current generation of RAV4 will enter its 6th year of production with the 2024 Toyota RAV4. Toyota has only made minor tweaks to the model since its 2019 launch, including the addition of a few new tech features and trim levels. However, it makes sense that Toyota wouldn't want to tamper too much with success given the RAV4's sales success. With rumors of a new generation expected for the 2025 model year, this trend continues for the 2024 RAV4. In the near future, Toyota might drop the gas engine and switch the RAV4 to a fully hybrid lineup, much like what's going to happen with the new Camry. However, as of right now, the RAV4 faces off against rivals that have undergone more recent redesigns, like the Honda CR-V and Kia Sportage. For more in-depth information on how the RAV4 compares to the other vehicles in the compact SUV class, watch the video till the end. Performance. What kind of driving is the RAV4? Sadly, the RAV4 doesn't shine in this situation. Around town, the engine is willing and merging and passing happen without incident. However, you may notice the engine's ultimately low power delivery if you're in a big hurry. Our RAV4 adventure test car took 9.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour in testing, which is a little bit longer than the class average. We also have issues with the steering, which lacks the proper amounts of feel and heft and is ambiguous at the center point. It's simple to underestimate your level of input as a result. Better news, the RAV4's optional upgraded all-wheel drive system now includes more sophisticated traction control systems with adjustable terrain settings and hill descent control, as well as rear axle torque vectoring. With these features and decent ground clearance, the RAV4 Adventure has better off-road capabilities than the typical small SUV. Comfort. What is the RAV4's level of comfort? The suspension setup of the RAV4 is designed to achieve an excellent mix between control and suppleness. When you drive over bumps, the body absorbs small to moderate impacts with little drama, and it doesn't float or bound. The front seats are nicely contoured and adequately padded, but on longer drives, the seat bottoms start to feel flat. The lack of adjustment on the passenger side may also make it challenging to settle into a comfortable position. The RAV4 is usually quiet when traveling at high speeds. The engine sound becomes somewhat coarse when you press the gas pedal for a sudden acceleration. The climate system performs well, in our opinion. With rear seat vents and fully adjustable forward vents, the air distribution is perfect. Fuel economy. How is the economy of fuel? The RAV4's combined city highway fuel economy is predicted by the EPA to be between 28 and 30 mpg, depending on the engine and trim level. We traveled over 7,000 miles with 3 persons, gear, and bags in an all-wheel drive adventure. Additionally, we averaged 28.6 mpg under a range of driving and weather conditions. We got 32.3 mpg out of our best tank and 25.6 mpg out of our worst. Are you still connected with us? Let me remind you, please subscribe our channel, Top 4 Cars. Interior. What state is it in? The roominess, ease of getting in and out, and driving position are all excellent. However, the RAV4 would receive a higher rating if the majority of trim levels front passenger seats could be lowered or were not so high. The front passenger seat of the RAV4 Limited is the only one with power adjustment. Tall drivers may want a little bit more adjustability in the steering wheel and driver's seat, although they still have a good range of adjustment. External visibility is commendable. The control layout is simple to use and features large, legible labels. Everything else is where you'd expect it to be, with the exception of the controls for the climate and music systems, which are islands unto themselves. Also nice are the large, rubberized climate control knobs. The touchscreen's excessive distance from the driver is the only complaint we have. In particular, turning the tuning knob requires reaching value. How good of a deal is the RAV4? The interior of the RAV4 is beautifully constructed, with well-layered materials and invisible seams integrated into the styling. It features tactile elements like radio and climate control knobs, as well as rubberized grip surfaces on interior door pulls. The optional synthetic leather upholstery on the RAV4 has neat stitching and a plush, flexible feel. Although the coverage under Toyota's warranty is mediocre, you do receive free scheduled maintenance for 2 years and 25,000 miles.